Hello bachcho, let's read the question. So the question says that how many moles of sodium hydroxide must be added to 200 ml of 0.1 molar solution of HNO3 to get a solution having pH value of 2.0. So in this question, what we have to do, we have to find out the number of moles of sodium hydroxide that can be added to 200 ml of 0.1 molar solution of HNO3 so that we will get a solution जिसकी pH value will be 2. So let's start doing the question. So सबसे पहले what we are given that 200 ml of 0.1 molar solution of HNO3. Okay, so it means that number of moles of HNO3. Okay, so that will be equals to 0.1 multiplied by 200. Okay, so it will be equals to 20 moles. So firstly हमने क्या find किया, we have simply find out the number of moles for HNO3, that will be 20 moles. Okay, so हमें चाहिए क्या, we have to get the solution having pH value 2. So that means if pH of solution is to be 2. So इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, concentration of HNO3. So इसकी concentration कितनी होनी चाहिए, that must be 10 to the power minus 2. ऐसा क्यों होगा, for example if we have pH is equals to minus log of H positive ions. Okay, अगर हमारे पास pH is equals to minus log of, if let us take, अगर हमारे पास H positive की concentration is 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, so अगर हमारे पास H positive की concentration 10 to the power minus 2, तब भी pH की value 2 आएगी. So हमने क्या किया, simply we have find out that concentration of HNO3 should be 10 to the power minus 2 so that हमारे जो pH की value है that will be 2. Okay, so now concentration of HNO3 is equals to 10 to the power minus 2, that is further equals to 0.01 molar. Okay, so पहले हमने क्या किया, we have find out the number of moles of HNO3 for 200 ml of 0.1 molar, but अब हमारे पास molar कितना है, we have 0.01 molar. So now we can again find out, that is moles of 0.01 molar HNO3. So it will be equals to 200 multiplied by 0.01. Okay, that is equals to 2 millimoles. So now we have to neutralize. Okay, सो अब हमें न्यूट्रलाइज करनी पड़ेगी रिएक्शन, दैट इज जब हम सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को HNO3 के साथ रिएक्ट करवाएंगे, सो द प्रोडक्ट वी विल गेट इज NaNO2 plus H2O. So now what we have to do, we have to simply subtract the number of moles of this HNO3, that is of 0.1 molar from 0.01 molar of pH2. Okay, so that is equals to basically 20 minus 2 मिलीमोल्स. ओके, सो अभी तक इनको हमने मिलीमोल्स में ही फाइंड किया. सो हेयर वी आल्सो हैव मिलीमोल्स, सो इट इज इक्वल्स टू 11 मिलीमोल्स. अगर हम उसको फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 0.018 मोल. सो वी कैन से दैट 0.018 मोल्स ऑफ NaOH will be added to solution. Okay, so this is the solution to this question, that is 0.018 moles of NaOH will be added. So this is the solution to this question. I hope you understand it well. All the best.